We want to solve the cosine of x plus pi over 2 plus the cosine of x minus 3 pi over 2 equals 1. So we're going to have to use our cosine sum formula and our cosine difference formula in this same problem. For the first part, the cosine of x plus pi over 2, we're going to use our cosine sum formula, which would say we have the cosine of x, cosine of pi over 2, minus the sine of x, sine of pi over 2. And then for our next part, we're going to use our cosine difference formula, which would say the cosine of x, cosine of 3 pi over 2, plus the sine of x, the sine of 3 pi over 2. And then again, we know that this all is equal to 1. So simplifying what we have the cosine of x times the cosine of pi over 2. Cosine of pi over 2 is equal to 0. So this gives us the cosine of x times 0 minus the sine of x times the sine of pi over 2, which is 1, plus the cosine of x times the cosine of 3 pi over 2, which is 0, plus the sine of x times the sine of 3 pi over 2, which is the sine of x times the sine of 3 pi over 2 is negative 1. And again, it's equal to 1. So simplifying, 0 times anything is 0, so that's going to leave us negative sine x. Cosine times 0 is 0, minus sine x equals 1. So negative 2 sine x is equal to 1. So the sine of x is equal to negative 1/2. So now solving to find where the sine of x is equal to negative 1/2, we can think of our special right triangle. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. This side would be the square root of 3. So our reference triangle, this angle would be 30 degrees. And this problem actually asks us to solve this on the interval from 0 to 2 pi. So we want our answer to be in radians. So 30 degrees in radians is pi over 6. And this is going to be our reference angle. So sine is negative in quadrant 3 and in quadrant 4. So in quadrant 3, we're going to take pi and add it to pi over 6 to get our answer when we know the reference angle. And pi plus pi over 6 would be 7 pi over 6. And in quadrant 4, we're going to say 2 pi minus pi over 6. And we'll get a common denominator and subtract these, and we'll get 11 pi over 6. So the solutions to this equation are 7 pi over 6 and 11 pi over 6.